Your bold brand idea, the key to clarity, confidence, and market momentum. I'm going to show you how a bold brand idea can bring clarity, unite teams, and set your business apart in a crowded market. You're going to learn actionable steps to define and activate your brand's purpose. In a world overwhelmed by noise, clutter, and competition, standing out as a business leader has never been more challenging or more critical. Customers are bombarded with messages, and organizations struggle to focus their energy and resources. The solution? A bold brand idea that cuts through the chaos and drives clarity, confidence, and momentum. This isn't just about having a clever tagline or a flashy campaign. It's about crafting a powerful concept that unifies your organization, speaks directly to your audience, and sets you apart in a meaningful way. Let's dive in how you can define, activate, and lead with a bold brand idea that transforms your business. So what is a bold brand idea? At its core, a bold brand idea is the distilled essence of your brand's purpose, vision, and promise. It's not about what you sell, it's about why you exist and how you're making a difference in the world. It's the unifying thread that ties together your customers, employees, and stakeholders, inspiring action and connection. Key attributes of a bold brand idea are simple and memorable. It must be easy to understand and impossible to forget. Emotionally resonant. It's got to speak to the heart of your customers and employees. It must be bigger than business. It goes beyond profit, connecting to a larger purpose. Aligned with actions. It's consistently demonstrated in your products, services, and behaviours. And it must be a call to action. It invites people to engage, participate, and believe. So, why does your business need a bold brand idea? A bold brand idea is more than just a nice to have. It's the foundation of sustainable success. And here's why. It gives you clarity in a complex world. In a time where distractions abound, a bold brand idea provides a clear sense of purpose for your business. It aligns your team and ensures every decision reflects your brand's core essence. It gives you confidence to lead boldly. When your organization rallies around a singular, powerful idea, you gain the confidence to take risks, make bold moves, and lead with purpose because you know exactly what you stand for. And it gives you momentum that fuels growth. A well-defined brand idea isn't static. It's a dynamic force that shapes action, innovation, and progress. It energizes your team and inspires your audience, creating momentum that propels your business forward. And lastly, but absolutely not leastly, it gives connection with customers and employees. People want to align with brands that stand for something bigger than themselves. A bold brand idea helps you attract and retain both customers and talent who share your vision and values. So, let's look at how we define your bold brand idea. Uncovering your bold brand idea requires thoughtful reflection, collaboration, and a willingness to think differently. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Start with insight. To craft a bold brand idea, you need a deep understanding of your business, audience, and market. Consider these questions. Why do your customers choose you over competitors? What problem are you solving and why does it matter? What motivates your employees to stay and contribute? Engage leadership. Your leadership team must be deeply involved in defining the bold brand idea. Host workshops to align on these key questions. Why does your business exist beyond making money? Who are you serving and how are you changing their lives? And what do you want to be known for? Identify your unique differentiator. Your bold brand idea should highlight what makes you unmistakably different from your competition. Avoid generic promises and focus on what only you can deliver. Next, test for simplicity and resonance. Once you've developed a draft, test it with your team, customers and stakeholders. Does it inspire? Is it easy to understand? Does it feel authentic to your brand? So, we've got the bold brand idea. How do we activate it? Defining your bold brand idea is only half the battle. It needs to come alive in every facet of your organisation. Here's how to activate it effectively. 1. Embed it into your culture. A bold brand idea isn't just a marketing tool, it's a cultural cornerstone. Align your internal processes, values and behaviours to reflect the idea. Train leaders to embody it and communicate it consistently. 2. Infuse it into strategy and plans. From business strategy to team goals, your bold brand idea should guide decision making. Every initiative, campaign and product launch should ladder up to this central concept. 3. Weave it through the customer journey. Map out your customer journey and identify opportunities to express your bold brand idea at each touch point. From awareness to post-purchase loyalty, create a cohesive and inspiring experience. Lastly, communicate it loudly and proudly. Use your bold brand idea as the backbone of your messaging. Internally, inspire your team with a compelling launch. Externally, share it through your website, campaigns and social channels. So let me give you a few examples of bold brand ideas in action. Some of the world's most successful companies have built their empires around a bold brand idea. Here are a few to inspire you. Nike. Empower everyone to achieve greatness. A call to action that empowers individuals to overcome challenges and push their limits. Tesla. Accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. A purpose-driven mission that guides every innovation. IKEA. Create a better everyday life. A vision that informs product design, customer service and marketing. And here's a smaller scale example for you. For a boutique consultancy, a bold brand might include helping leaders build brighter futures. It's clear, it's human and purpose-driven, speaking to both clients and employees alike. In today's crowded marketplace, blending in is the fastest way to be forgotten. A bold brand idea gives you the clarity, confidence and momentum to stand out, make an impact and lead with purpose. So what's your bold brand idea? Take time to uncover it, activate it and lead with it. Your team will feel inspired, your customers will feel connected and your business will be positioned to thrive in ways you never thought possible.